Welcome to English Storycraft.
The boot sale. It was a sunny Saturday morning. Olivia and her family were excited. Today was the day of the big boot sale in their town. A boot sale is like a garage sale, but in a big field. People sell things from the trunks of their cars. Olivia's mom said,
Let's go early so we can find good deals.
Olivia, her mom, dad, and little brother Sam all got into the car. They drove to the field where the boot sale was happening. When they arrived, the field was full of cars. Each car had many items to sell. Olivia saw toys, clothes, books, and even old furniture. "Look, Mom! A teddy bear!" Sam shouted. He ran to a car with a big box of toys. Olivia and her mom followed him. The lady at the car smiled and said,
Good morning. Everything here is £1.
Sam picked up the teddy bear. It was soft and brown with a red ribbon. "Can I have it, please?" he asked. Mom smiled.
Okay, Sam. Here is £1.
She said. Sam gave the money to the lady, and she gave him the teddy bear. Next, Olivia saw a table with many books. She loved reading. There were books about animals, adventures, and even magic. She picked up a book with a dragon on the cover. "How much is this book?" she asked the man at the table.
That book is £2,
he said. Olivia thought it was a good price. She had saved £5 from her pocket money. "I will take it," she said, and gave the man £2. While Olivia and Sam were busy, Dad found an old radio. He liked to fix things.
I can fix this at home.
He told Mom. The man selling the radio said,
You can have it for £5.
Dad nodded and paid for the radio. He looked happy with his find. After an hour of shopping, the family was hungry. They found a food stand selling sandwiches and drinks. They sat on the grass and ate together. Olivia had a cheese sandwich, Sam had a ham sandwich, and Mom and Dad had chicken sandwiches. "This boot sale is fun," said Olivia. "I like finding new things." Mom nodded.
Yes, and it's nice to see so many people from our town.
After lunch, they walked around a bit more. Olivia found a pretty bracelet for £1. Mom found a nice vase for £3. Dad even found an old toy car for his collection. When their bags were full, it was time to go home. They walked back to their car, carrying their new treasures. "What a great day!" said Sam, hugging his teddy bear.
Yes,
Said Mom.
we had fun and found many good deals.
They drove home, happy and tired. Olivia couldn't wait to start reading her new book. Dad was excited to fix the old radio. And Sam was already thinking about what name to give his new teddy bear. That night, they all went to bed with smiles on their faces. The boot sale was a big adventure, and they couldn't wait for the next one.